stepping on the scale right now. It's December 31st. And I can't believe that this says what it says. I don't know when I'm gonna start working out, but oh, I didn't know I was that big. I guess I'm starting tomorrow then. So we'll see how this goes. Say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Say it. Say good morning. My name is Mariah. Mariah. I just woke up. I am drinking some black coffee. I haven't ate yet. I'm probably gonna make Mariah some eggs and toast right now. But I think today we have to go grocery shopping because we're almost out of eggs, and eggs is like crucial for me. And then I'll just be cooking some easy recipes throughout the day. I also have a workout, so I figured today we can do a full day. It's only 9. CJ's not up yet. So yeah, I thought I would do a full vlog. I'm currently replying to everyone about my 2018 goals, Mariah. And you guys have been so cool, so awesome, and supportive, and friendly, and nice. I guess I'll just take you guys with me for the day. In a day of keto eating and workout, exactly what I'm eating and drinking all day today. After this cup of coffee, which you can see I'm almost out, it's going to be nothing but green tea and water until 2, and then I stop drinking tea because the caffeine messes with my sleep, and I just switched to water. So for right now, until 2 for the next few hours, just green tea, hot green tea. Okay, you guys, so CJ is cooking us breakfast this morning. We are having an egg, spinach, mushroom, bacon, and cheese omelet. You guys, so these are the ingredients I'm using for the omelet. Sorry, the sun is pretty intense. I have some spinach, mushrooms, a little bit of cheese, just like 4 mini slices, and this is about 3 strips of bacon cut up. So I'm just gonna combine this all into an omelet. Okay, you guys, it's been almost a week since I started the diet, so let's go ahead and weigh ourselves. £5. Hey, you guys, so as you could see in the last clip, if I was able to get it off my iPhone and on here, I weighed myself, lost 5 pounds since I started on, did I start on Monday? I think I started on Monday, so today's Sunday, so it's 6 days, 5 pounds. And yes, I am aware it's probably all water weight. Looking forward, like that's if I lose 5 pounds a week, that'll be insane. But a big concern of mine is, since I do have like 40 pounds or 50 pounds to lose, I know it's not going to be that fast, but a big concern of mine is like loose skin. So I want to let my body have time for my skin to go back into place. And so that's why I'm actually like exercising, promote like my skin staying elastic and my muscle composition and things like that to prevent me from having loose skin. So I don't know if you will for sure get loose skin after losing like 40 or 50 pounds. I think everyone is different, but I do not want that. So I don't want to lose like so much weight in a short amount of time that I'm left with that. So I'm okay with 5 pounds. It's probably great, but I want to remain, I want this to be sustainable, you know. So I'm about to head to the grocery store now. We're going to Aldi. It's like a huge grocery store here in the UK. Huge as in like there's a lot of them, not as in like the store is very big. So it's very affordable. We're going there now. I don't have a huge list today because we actually did a lot of stocking up last weekend, but I will show you what it looks like and what items I get to start a keto diet. So here we go. Hey you guys, so I'm home now. I didn't vlog much in Aldi because it's so packed and crazy and you have people like reaching over your shoulder and reaching around you and your cart's in the way. So I'll just show you what I got now. So I picked up these bags of frozen cauliflower rice with parsley. I got cauliflower, 2 cauliflower with parsley and 1 original. I got these, they basically have like no carbs, or they have 3 carbs per thing, and I only eat half a sachet at a time. So I have these guys. I got a big thing of Brussels sprouts, and these are only like 55 pence here in the UK. It is insane. I got some spinach. I got another thing of mixed peppers. I got some spicy chorizo, and I just thought it would be good to fry up and put it in like our morning stir fries.
Did you eat all your raisins?
I got another thing of cheddar cheese. Then I got another thing of mushrooms because we put mushrooms in pretty much everything. Got some smoked bacon. Also picked up some minced turkey. We really like turkey and we tend to eat it more than beef, but I have a lot of beef in the freezer, so I just got this just in case we need it during the week. I picked up some asparagus as well. I love asparagus. CJ really likes it too. I picked up some zucchini. They call them courgettes here. Just really easy to fry up and add in a stir fry. I picked up some drumsticks. CJ has a recipe he might try, but if not, we have some peri-peri seasoning from like Nando's. You can make our own drumsticks at home. I also grabbed some Bramley apple pork sausage. We ate this the other night. Last night we just cut it up and fried it that way. Again, super easy, and the pork here in the UK is like super fresh. It's not gritty at all. It's like it melts in your mouth. It's crazy. Then I picked up some mini chicken fillets because I was thinking of making a cold chicken salad this week to have for snacks. So I could just have this, season it, put it on the broiler, make it crispy, and then dice it up and then put it together with some mayonnaise, or maybe I can do egg salad instead. Also picked up some broccoli and cauliflower mix. We just cook this and eat it with butter, salt, and pepper. You know, simple, good, nutritious. I picked up some Baby Bell little cheese circular things, and these are just really easy to do on the go, so I can dice up some red pepper and just put this in my snack tray, and then I'll have a snack for during the work week. I also picked CJ up these sweet and smoky chunks. Since he works out more than I do and he's not really trying to lose that much weight, he needs to eat more protein than I do, so I just picked these up for him to put in his snack tray, so he can either just have chicken and like almonds, or he can have chicken and cheese, or whatever he chooses. You guys, Aldi is so insanely cheap. Like I mentioned, the Brussels sprouts are only like 55 pence. The courgettes were like 39 pence. And that's insane. Even with the exchange rate, I spent 40 pounds, which is probably like $62. Maybe like $62, and that's a family of 3. You think so? Yeah. And it'll last us all week long. So like 50 bucks for weekly meals when we could go out and spend like 23 pounds at Nando's. So our grocery shopping is done. We have some chicken we're gonna make tonight. I think right now we are gonna do our workout and then like shower, clean upstairs a little bit, and then this whole afternoon will be like down here food prepping. So yeah, that is what I got from the store.
Keep your front knee over your ankle. Move slow and get as much stretch as you can.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Suffocating, I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart.
Okay, you guys, so it's later in the day now, and we are preparing dinner. We also have to prepare breakfast for tomorrow morning, and I need to charge my camera. But CJ is making some lamb.
Some lamb shoulder.
Lamb shoulder. I'm not the biggest fan of yam, so I am skipping on that.
Yam.
Lamb. I'm gonna have some grilled chicken. CJ just tenderized it. It's been marinating in Italian dressing, which is like awesome way to marinate your chicken. You don't even need any extra seasonings once it's marinated in that. Then we are having some asparagus. I'm gonna put in the oven with some pink salt and pepper and olive oil. And then we have some broccoli and cauliflower that we're gonna make up. And we'll see how this serving does because we need it for lunch tomorrow as well. And I need to take out something for dinner tomorrow. But that is what we are doing. I'm gonna get my camera on the charger and I'll just give you guys updates when something happens. Okay, you guys, I'm on my iPhone now, so if it looks like horrible, that's why. But CJ and I are getting pretty hungry, so I'm just gonna snack on a piece of spicy cheese. Also, earlier before our workout, we snacked on almonds. We ate the Blue Diamond Sriracha almonds, which are amazing. Super good. You have to limit yourself to like 28 is the serving size, but they're really high in good natural fat. So we ate that. We're having some cheese right now while we're cooking. Just wanted to let you guys know since this is like a what I eat in a day video. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished meal. It's kind of messy because we're like in meal prep mode and we just have food everywhere now. So I have some asparagus, some cauliflower rice over here, some real cauliflower or just like whole cauliflower, some broccoli, and then there is my grilled chicken. So that is it, and this is what we are having for dinner tonight. Okay, you guys, so that completes about everything. That was everything we ate today, right?
Yep.
I had coffee, black coffee, some green tea, omelet. What did we do for lunch?
We had a late breakfast, so...
Did we not eat lunch? Oh, we had some almonds as a snack. I don't think we ate lunch. We weren't hungry. And then we just ate dinner, and then we meal prepped that same dinner for tomorrow's for lunch. So I'm about to take out some fish, I believe, for tomorrow's dinner. And that completes my day and my Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me your feedback down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.